Hello friends, welcome back to my channel HVAC for you. In today's video, I am going to explain what is meant by high side and low side in a BOQ. When you are involved in a project, many times you will come across the terms high side BOQ, low side BOQ, high side items, low side items. Forget about freshers. Sometimes experienced persons also cannot tell the difference between the two terms. But don't worry, at the end of the video, you will be familiar with these terms. Okay, then let's start. The two most important things in any project are drawing and bill of quantity or BOQ in short. Drawing is essential during execution and BOQ is useful to understand what materials are there in our project, their quantity, rates and what is the overall project cost. All these are summarized in the BOQ. Hope you all are aware about the BOQ. If you don't know about BOQ, please have a look at the sample format of BOQ. Here you will notice that it is divided into two parts. One is high side and other is low side. Meaning of the two terms are in high side BOQ, items related to the machine are included, whereas in low side BOQ, materials which are essential for connection or functioning of machine are included. High side part includes only supply of machines from factory to site. Their installation, testing and commissioning is included in low side part. Now for machines installation, testing and commissioning, we need some materials which are called low side materials. So along with the installation, testing and commissioning of high side items, low side section also includes purchasing, transportation, installation of low side materials. To understand this, we will see two examples. First example is installation of an high wall unit. The materials required are outdoor unit, indoor unit, refrigerant copper pipe, condensate drain pipe, electrical cable, MS stand, etc. Please note, materials listed here are only billable items. Supporting items are not included because their billing is not done. Now we will classify these materials into high side and low side part. In high side part comes outdoor unit, indoor unit, whereas in low side part for connecting IDU and ODU we need refrigerant copper pipe, condensate drain pipe, electrical cable and EMS stand. Once classification is done, materials are listed in the BOQ. Second example is installation of 20 HP VRF system. Here we have 20 HP VRF ODU, ductable unit, cassette unit and high wall split unit. For their connection, we have copper pipe, drain pipe, cable, air distribution items such as ducting, grill, VCD, fire damper and exhaust fan. These can be classified in high side and low side as shown. High side items VRF outdoor unit 20 HP, VRF ductable AC, VRF cassette AC, VRF split AC, remote and Y joint. In low side items are copper pipe, drain pipe, communication cable, power cable, factory duct, thermal insulation, acoustic insulation, flexible duct, canvas cloth, grill, VCD, fire damper, exhaust fan. More examples are in high side items AHU, CRC, backnet, Modbus, T-joint. In low side items, drain pump, sequential controller, CO2 sensor, VAV boxes, CAV, diffuser, duct static pressure sensor, VFD. Again I will repeat, high side means only supply of machines and low side means installation, testing and commissioning of machines plus supply, installation, testing and commissioning of low side materials. Hope you are clear now. So this was all about high side and low side items. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. Please share this video in your circle. Thanks for watching. See you again.